So first, take a look at this result. In this one session, a total of 50 signals won and 40 signals lost. Still, the overall profit was $22 plus, meaning even after losses, the system still made profit. Now, the question is, how did I set up this auto trading system? Because honestly speaking, before making this video, I searched all over YouTube, but I didn't find any proper beginner-friendly auto trading setup. No one shows everything clearly step by step, and even if they do, they skip many things. So in today's video, I will show the full setup in such a way that after watching once, you can complete the setup by yourself without any confusion. Here, I will use my TBA Elite Combiner Alpha Indicator and connect it with MetaTrader 4, and for auto trade execution, I will use MX2 Trading. So don't skip the video and watch till the end, because I will show live auto trade execution. So first, let me tell you how good this indicator is for auto trading. In one sentence, if you follow the rules correctly, then you have a good chance to get consistent results with this indicator, just like you saw in the result at the beginning. And this indicator is specially optimized for auto trading, meaning it is perfect for instant execution when a signal comes. And one important thing, all the files needed for this setup, including the indicator, I have uploaded everything on my Telegram channel. So instead of wasting time searching here and there, you can easily download everything directly from my Telegram. Now let's come to the most important part, the setup process. Watch carefully, step by step. I'm showing everything in a beginner-friendly way. Step number 1. First, open your MetaTrader 4. Then go to File and click on Open Data folder. Step number 2, now paste the indicator I provided here, just like shown in the video. Step number 3, now install the MX2 Trading app. After installation, open the app, then connect your trading account. Here, I am connecting an IQ option account as an example. In the same way, you can connect your Quotex or any other broker account. Step number 4, after everything is set up, enable the auto trading option from the MT4 Indicator. Then save it as a template and apply it to other charts. From now on, whenever the indicator gives a signal, the trade will be executed automatically. You don't have to do anything manually. Now I will tell you 2 very important rules. Rule number 1, never trade during news time, because the market becomes very unpredictable then. Rule number 2, first test in a demo account. If the result is good, then use it in a real account. If you follow these 2 rules, you can stay much safer. Now, let's wait and see whether a live auto trade is placed or not. Look, a signal has come here and instantly the trade has been executed automatically. You didn't do anything. You didn't click, you didn't take entry. Everything happened automatically. However, the signal here is taking a non-MTG trade by default. If you want, you can enable MTG1 and set the trade amount as you like, just like I am showing. This is the real power of auto trading. No emotion, no delay, only perfect execution. So you already saw the result at the beginning, and now you have seen the full setup as well. Now your job is first practice on demo, then move to real account. And if you want to get this indicator and complete setup files, then join my Telegram channel. The link is given in the description. And to get more beginner-friendly, powerful, and useful trading content like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel. If this video helps you even a little, please give it a like. And if you face any problem while setting up, let me know in the comments. Thank you everyone. Allah Hafiz.